I decided to come to the University of Calgary because of the students' environments that has offered for me. Because you can see that we have a great international population over here, many different cultures, and the students' enthusiasm is quite high over here. So I'm very impressed with that. And the people that you meet over here has served well in terms of offering support, and as well as connecting me to the right people that would serve me well.
I chose the Schulich School of Engineering for my graduate studies because the professors, the research teams, the classroom activities, and all of the graduate experience really encompasses the creative and interdisciplinary aspects that are really important to me. I can work with people from different departments, I can work with people from different research areas, and I have the flexibility and freedom in my research to really explore my different passions.
One of the great things about the U of C in my experience has been full funding from the professor. So I didn't have to pay anything, I didn't have to get money from my parents. What I did was to get income, I would work as either research assistant or teaching from the professor.
I'm fortunate enough to have received the Vianney Scholarship, which has enabled me to do a lot of research without having to worry about the financial part of making a living. At the same time, I received the scholarship because of all the community works that I have been involved in, and this is one of the best things about being in this department is that they are very supportive of your endeavors beyond research.
We are fortunate to have latest and very comprehensive and very various equipment that we can use to test our systems and our devices. And the equipment and the tools that we have basically are the state-of-the-art tools, that the industry, they use these tools. And when we train students on these tools, so the students get ready, when they graduate, they are ready to operate within the industry.
My experience was really positive. I was given a lot of freedom. I got to choose what direction I put my topic in, access to whichever equipment I needed pretty much any time, and just a lot of support from the graduate professors as well as my supervisor.
My research experience has been awesome. We guys have been working on developing power amplifiers, and I think in past 2 years I have contributed 2 conference papers, and we are writing a journal paper which is to be submitted soon.
As a graduate student at U of C, I have attended in a lot of workshops, both for my research and for having teaching training.
I would say the training I got while doing my graduate degree at the U of C, it really set the trajectory for all the kinds of work that I was going to seek out and choose to do in my career so far.
Really, whatever I learned and whatever I've been trained at the U of C in my PhD program, I find direct application in what I do in the business world.
I would recommend the Schulich School of Engineering to prospective grad students who are looking for flexible freedom in their research, who are looking for a challenge, interesting projects, and a high level of support, teaching, and research opportunities.
I would strongly recommend any interested students to consider applying to join our departments here because of the opportunities that is available to you and the students' environments that we foster over here.
Anyone that's interested in studying engineering should really be in Calgary to do it. Calgary is the engineering capital of Canada. There is so much going on here, not just traditional resource, but renewables, environmental monitoring now. If you want to make a difference and get an engineering education that's going to be really linked to industry, then Calgary is the place to do that.